Compressed air can generate electricity. What kind of black technology is this? The main types of electricity we generate are thermal, hydroelectric, and nuclear. Nowadays, people are constantly looking for cleaner, more environmentally friendly power, like wind and solar power, have been growing rapidly over the years. And this way of generating power from the air, by using the air, it's also clean energy. There's a guy who built a power plant right off the coast. And the way it generates power is unique. Let's see how it works. The principle of power generation is to rely on the waves to compress the air. The waves compress the air and push the turbine to generate electricity. That's why it's called compressed air power generation. Waves go up and down. And when the waves go up and down in a confined space, it compresses the air inside. The entire generator station consists of 3 parts. The first part is an airtight chamber. The first part is a closed chamber, which is connected to the water, so that the waves can enter it. In the center is a turbine that generates electricity. And the part that's built on land is the vent. As the waves ebb and flow inside the confined chamber, the air in the chamber is pressurized and sucked in. The flow of air drives the turbines to generate electricity. The turbine is always facing in the same direction, and the turbine has to rotate in the same direction. A special symmetrical blade is used, so the air always flows through the thinnest side, so that no matter which way the air pushes the blades, it's always turning in the same direction. Waves can also vary in size depending on weather and other factors. This affects the stability of the power generation. For this reason, a control valve is installed at the airflow point, so that the speed of airflow can be adjusted to ensure the stability of the generator. No matter how big or small the waves are, it is possible to generate electricity. Because wave power is a green and clean source of energy, so people have invented many ways to turn waves into electricity. One is to use the rise and fall of the waves to drive a hydraulic buoy system. It can be mounted on a raft or fixed on the shore. It rises and falls with the waves, and drive a generator to produce electricity. And then there's the multi-joint floating wave power. It's a jointed system that connects multiple floats together, that can move with the waves on the surface. And each joint is equipped with a hydraulic cylinder. Each section of the floating surface moves up and down with the waves, with the up and down movement of the waves, and thus drive the machinery to generate electricity. Overall, there are many ways to use waves to generate electricity, but not many of them are actually used on a large scale. The main reason is that they are not efficient, and the cost is very high. Do you know of any other special ways to generate electricity?